One brain dump. That's what I had on a Saturday morning between coffee and mowing the lawn. By lunch, it was a video script, an email, and like 5 posts scheduled and ready to go. The wild part is, while I know quite a bit about technology, I didn't have to use any expertise or know any kind of the technology that I've learned over the years. The only thing I learned was how to leverage and talk to the tool. You see, AI has not replaced the work, but it helped me finally use what I already knew. Here are some key points to add to what you already have. You're not trying to become a tech expert. You're trying to build business, and you're trying to do it in the nooks and crannies of your day. You're trying to do it next to work, marriage, kids, meals, adventure, exhaustion, next to all of the things. Point number 2 is that AI can become your thinking partner. It doesn't replace your thinking. It's not just a writing machine. It helps you sort through your thoughts. It helps you pull the really great truth bombs from your thoughts. It helps you find the thread through your thoughts, because if you're anything like me, my thoughts are all over the place, but it helps me find where all these layers of thoughts and ideas come together, where the thread is that weaves it all together. Sometimes it helps me see what my brain is actually circling, which is kind of cool. When you use it as this place to brain dump, it takes all of that stuff and turns it into content. It takes all of the years of learning and makes sense of it. The real advantage isn't learning how to use AI or how to prompt it or how to write the perfect prompt. It's learning how to talk to it. Most people type a sentence and get this generic answer, and then they decide it doesn't work. Or they get some fancy prompt from some person who claims to have the prompt, and again, they get a generic answer and decide it doesn't work. The leverage comes when you learn how to guide it, correct it, and train it in your voice. Then use it with strategy. And point number 4, AI helps connect of the pieces that you already have. For me, it was the courses, the marketing psychology, the affiliate and MLM experiences, the faith journey, the ethical marketing journey, content ideas, emails, YouTube thumbnails. It helps organize all the things that are already in you and already there waiting to be expressed. The 5th point I want to make is that AI gives you independence. You're not waiting on designers or tech people. You're not waiting on any copywriters or editors. And in the home business, you don't have to be a copywriter expert. You do have to know some of it, just so that you know what you're talking about. And then you also don't have to wait for the perfect guru to show you the perfect strategy. You can actually get a lot further on your own these days because of what AI can do for you. You have a helper helping you figure it all out. Number 5, AI can help you create content. The only thing you have to decide is, does this sound like me? Is it something I would actually say over coffee with someone? Does it sound honest and true? Is it useful to the people who listen to you? Is it hypey? Does it serve people? And number 6, this tool that I'm using right this minute is a perfect example. It's not just spitting out random content. It's helping with the whole process, the planning, the keywords. It's even going to help me with the traffic, posting, and repurposing. And it works better when you bring your story to it. Because you see, before I started this whole process, right this minute, right in front of me, I plugged in my personality and my story so that I have points that I can relate to you. And of course, at the same time, I'm adding my values and my offer to it. Here's another example. I happen to be in an endless content course right here. And it's not about just making more posts. It's learning how to stop starting over. And it's learning how to use AI, multiply one idea and make that one idea into many pieces of content. I wanted to talk a little bit about my AI business journey, because I really do believe that we are living through one of those major shifts where people learn how to take advantage of the new tools, have the advantage. The people who use the new tools are going to have the advantage. Every time a new tool comes along, people resist it. When machines came along to help out with math, harvesting crops, manufacturing, communication, all kinds of things. People were more afraid of what it would replace than they were of the progress. And I get it. Totally. But people who learned how to leverage those things actually got ahead of the curve. That's how I see AI. I don't see it replacing people. I see it helping people do their work faster and more efficiently, but only when they learn how to use it. What matters for people like me who are building a business around real life, we're not sitting around with unlimited time. We have jobs, we have family, we have a life. And it helps me, those tools help me use the windows that I do have. For me, the whole journey has been about learning how to build something honest, simple, sustainable, without hype, and without asking for permission, and without pressure. It's without pretending I'm someone I'm not. AI isn't the business, it's the tool. The business is still the message, the offer, the trust, the relationship, and the value you bring. If any of this resonates with you and you want a done-for-you system that actually puts AI and automation to work for you so that you can build in the nooks and crannies of your day and in the pockets of real life, check out the turnkey residual income page at prosperwithjimmy.com. Let the system do the selling for you. Check the description for the link.